Hi guys, I'm going to be showing you how to do like some water droplet art. So yeah. So when you put some water in like a mechanical pencil that doesn't have any lead in it and stuff, it doesn't have to be the same color like this, but and then you would spray the water in here with like one of these sprayers. I washed it out, so it's just pure water in here. And this is also my cat's spray bottle because she tears up that. So yeah, I'll be right back. Okay. So guys, now you would grab your spray bottle and your pencil and spray it in. Like this. This is very messy. So yeah. You might want to have a wash rag or something that can soak up water. And then once it's like kind of stopped dripping, you want to make sure it's all the way full. Like this. 1 second. Hold on. I don't know who he is, but he sure doesn't like barking dogs. Excuse me. I'm afraid I'll have to pick up your dog. Where is he? Ooh. Someone on YouTube said shut up to me on my senpai's video. Oh. Yeah, anyways, yeah, it should be full. And you see all these like bubbles. The water drips out really fast, so go put my I can do way better when I'm not recording. So yeah, all you need is something dry or even damp, and then just like wipe it off. Because if the place you just dotted it at, it won't become a dot. It will just like drip off, like if you were in. Yeah. I don't know what to title this video, but like. Yeah, you want to try to make sure they're all the same size. But I made a crown actually. Yeah. You want to kind of have it go out like this. And you can even like press the dispenser part right here, and it will come out faster.
Wilbur, I've got a confession to make.
Like, you can see, kind of, see right there, that's how much water is left, because it's a lighter. And then another way is to go like this. If it's really full and you want to go faster, then that's another way. It's really easy once you, and like even if you have a pencil that looks, a mechanical pencil that looks like this, isn't supposed to be the same color. I just like it because it's green and it didn't have any working lead in it. So if you have a mechanical pencil that looks sort of like this, that doesn't have lead in it, and you can't find any lead for it to fit, then this would be really good to use. So hopefully you like this video, and bye guys.